Did you know that cracking your knuckles might actually be good for you? Contrary to popular belief, a study published in the Journal of the American Board of Family Medicine found no link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. In fact, the act of cracking may increase joint mobility and relieve tension. When you crack your knuckles, you're releasing gas bubbles from the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. This simple action can lead to a temporary increase in joint space, potentially enhancing flexibility. So, next time you hear that satisfying pop, know it's not harming your joints.